Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Screensaver settings because that's where Windows 10 stores the controls. Press the Windows key, type Screensaver, and choose Change Screensaver. This jumps you straight to the panel. Once there, look at the current screensaver name and the preview button so you know what will appear. Make sure to verify the wait time. It determines when the saver activates. If options are grayed out, sign in with an administrator account and then continue to the next step. Once done choosing a saver, you need to customize it so it behaves the way you want. Select the saver from the drop-down and hit Preview to verify appearance. That avoids surprises. When a saver offers settings, click it to change speed, select image folders, or tweak modules. Those options control how content displays. Make sure to set the wait time and decide whether to check on Resume, Display Log-On screen. This secures your session and controls reactivation after the saver runs. Now finalize and test the setup. Click Apply, then OK, and either wait the set time or use Preview to confirm activation. If the saver doesn't run, make sure your power plan or screen timeout settings aren't interfering, because those can override the saver. Also check lock screen policies if you're on a managed PC. They can block changes. If issues persist, update your graphics drivers and temporarily disable apps that prevent idle, such as media players or remote.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.